I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Make sure both earbuds and case register at least a small charge. Once done, inspect charging contacts and pins closely. Dirt or corrosion blocks current. Use a dry cotton swab or soft brush to remove grime because physical resistance reduces charging. Next, swap to a known good cable and wall adapter to eliminate a faulty lead or port. You want to isolate whether power reaches the case. Watch the LED pattern and listen for any electrical noise as a diagnostic cue. Once basic checks are done, move into diagnostics. You should test the case on a different outlet and a powered USB hub or power bank to rule out outlet quirks. Perform the manufacturer reset sequence because firmware stalls can prevent charging even with good hardware. If you have a multimeter, measure the case input voltage. USB should read about 5 volts and remain stable under load. Fluctuating voltage points to cable, adapter, or internal board faults. Keep notes of each change so you can backtrack. You're ready for repair-oriented steps. Carefully clean and realign contacts, trimming any insulation and replacing worn pins or pads because physical contact is essential. If the case PCB or a battery cell is dead, stop and arrange professional repair or an authorized replacement. Attempting solder work without experience risks further damage. As a last diagnostic tip, test wireless charging, if supported, or place different earbuds in the case. This isolates whether the problem is the case or the earbuds themselves and guides your next action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.